Facularin, antibay din niya, no? He refused to go down. Ito, makita natin, no? Just one punch after the other. Scored here by Egano.
Ang video na tampok natin ngayon ay tungkol sa isang boksingerong nanalo sa kaniyang laban, ngunit hindi na niya narinig ang opisyal na deklarasyon. Agad siyang isinugod sa ospital at kalaunan ay binawian ng buhay.
Slumping down. It's not good, he slumped down. Let's bring out the stretcher. Kenneth Egano, let's hope he's okay. He finished the fight on his feet. They've taken out the gloves. They need to put him on a stretcher. Ibigyan siya ng CPR at this point. But you don't know whether he's lost his pulse. They need to find out if he's got a pulse. Doctors are there. Okay, here's... But then he appeared to have lost his wind, maybe lost even his consciousness, and he's right now in a stretcher. He's being given oxygen. Revive him. His eyes are closed. We don't know if he's completely lost his consciousness, but his eyes are definitely closed. The look of defeat on the face of Jason Facularin when he found out that he lost. Nanalo po si Kenneth Egano on a unanimous decision. Nawala na po yung perfect record ni Facularin.
Noong Mayo 6, 2023, nagharap sina Kenneth Egano at Jason Facularin sa isang 8-round bantamweight bout sa Imus Sports Gymnasium sa Cavite. Sa loob ng 8 rounds, buong tapang silang nagpalitan ng mga suntok. Walang umatras at walang gustong sumuko. Nang tumunog ang huling bell, nakumpleto ni Kenneth ang laban. Ngunit habang hinihintay ang desisyon, bigla siyang nawalan ng malay sa kaniyang corner. Makalipas ang ilang sandali, tinawag ang kaniyang pangalan bilang panalo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Pero hindi na ito narinig ni Kenneth. Hindi niya naitaas ang kaniyang kamay at hindi niya naipagdiwang ang tagumpay na buong tapang niyang ipinaglaban. Agad siyang isinugod sa ospital. Napag-alamang nagkaroon siya ng brain hemorrhage at inilagay sa koma. Makalipas ang 4 na araw, noong Mayo 10, 2023, kalaunan ay binawian siya ng buhay. 22 taong gulang lamang siya. Dito natin makikita ang masakit na katotohanan tungkol sa boxing. Hindi ito basta suntukan lamang. Sa bawat pag-akyat ng isang boksingero sa ring, hindi lang record, titulo o pera ang nakataya. Buhay nila ang nakataya. Nanalo si Kenneth Egano sa kaniyang huling laban. Ngunit hindi niya naipagdiwang ang kaniyang tagumpay. Mataas na pagpupugay kay Kenneth Egano, isang tunay na mandirigma. Ngunit ano nga ba ang nangyari sa loob ng 8 rounds? Para masaksihan natin ang buong pangyayari, ating balikan ang highlights ng laban noong Mayo 6, 2023 sa Imus Sports Gymnasium sa Imus, Cavite.
Jason Facularin. Kenneth Egano.
And round number 1 sa ating laban, scheduled for 8 in the bantamweight division. Mga kaibigan, Facularin wearing the red gloves. Si Jason po ang pangalan niya. You see that on his waistband. Kenneth Egano is wearing the blue gloves. Si Egano po, 6-1 ang record niya with 3 knockouts. He has won his last 4 fights. Turned pro in 2019, did not fight in 2020 because of the pandemic. Fought twice in 2021, 4 times in 2022. And his only loss was a split decision to Ariel Antimaro. So, magandang record po niya, 6-1. Pero ang kalaban niya, wala pa pong talo. Facularin, 4-0 with 4 knockouts. Lahat po ng panalo ni Facularin coming inside the distance. And siya po nag-pro noong 2019. Hindi po siya lumaban noong 2020 and 2021. But has fought now 2 times in 2022. Yan po si Facularin, trying to protect his unbeaten record, 4-0 with 4 knockouts. Aba, malakas sumuntok ito si Facularin. Panuorin po natin how he manages and fares against Kenneth Egano, who has won 4 in a row. He did score that big punch. Kani-kanina lamang. Good defense by Facularin. Hindi pumapasok yung mga tama ni Egano.
Sa ikalawang round, lalo pang uminit ang sagupaan. Parehong mabibigat ang bitaw at walang gustong umatras. Dito nakahanap ng magandang tiyempo si Jason Facularin at pinabagsak si Kenneth Egano sa pamamagitan ng isang malinis na left straight. Ngunit mabilis na bumangon si Kenneth at buong tapang na ipinagpatuloy ang laban. Makikita rito kung gaano kadelikado ang boxing. Kapag dalawang malalakas at determinado ang nagtagpo sa loob ng ring, bawat suntok ay maaaring magdulot ng pinsala. Hindi lamang panalo ang kanilang ipinaglalaban dahil sa bawat palitan, kaligtasan at buhay din nila ang nakataya.
But he's also dangerous with the left. In 6 wins. So may lakas din si Egano. Oh, nice shot coming from Egano. Both fighters very frisky. Facularin, however, he's looking for a big punch. And Egano, however, scoring with shots from a distance. He's keeping a safe distance away from Facularin. Egano, I think, realizes na may lakas ito si Facularin. He's keeping a safe distance away. Watch him show his lateral movement along the ropes. Left jab, pumapasok doon. Very active si Egano dito against Facularin. So far, a very smart fight being displayed by Egano. Ito, inuunahan niya si Facularin. Remember, Facularin has not been beaten in 4 fights. Has won all his fights by knockout. Oh! Sandali! He went down. That was a big punch. Yun ang sinasabi natin, ang lakas ni Facularin. One punch, but he will not be saved by the bell. Well, anyway, he got up. And you will now hear the sound of the bell. Tumaman naman yung kaliwa ni Facularin. 10 seconds in the round. And ito, panurin po natin kung ano nangyari. Egano was actually controlling the action at that time. But a left hand caught him on the face. Watch it again from a different angle. You know, left straight ang pumasok. Hindi man lang hook. Now we're in round number 3. A knockdown has been scored by Facularin. Sabi nga natin kanina, no? Hindi po sanay si Facularin na manalo na hindi knockout. Patutulugin niya yung mga kalaban niya. Nakatikim na si Egano ng lakas ni Facularin. In round number 2, eto na, bumabanat si Facularin. Binabalikan naman siya ni Egano. Hindi umatras si Egano. Now remember, in round number 2, Egano was actually controlling the action. Oh, nakatama dun si Egano with the left hand. He was controlling the action in round number 2 until he got hit and went down. But goes to show you, si Facularin is a very dangerous fighter. Give him a slight opening, naku, tatamaan ka at babagsak ka. Nakikipagsabayan na dito si Egano. Nawala na yung kanyang left jab na pinakita niya in the previous rounds. And he was scoring well with that left jab. Rather, the left jab ni Egano. Yan, bumabalik na naman yung jab ni Kenneth Egano. To gain momentum. Overhand right galing kay Egano. Back in the center of the ring. I think that's where Egano wants to bring the fight.
Sa ika-4 na round, naging mas dominante na si Kenneth Egano. Madalas na siyang pumapasok sa depensa ni Facularin at nakapuntos gamit ang kaniyang mga kombinasyon. Epektibo ang jab at straight ni Kenneth na patuloy na nagpapahirap kay Facularin sa round na ito. Hindi lamang siya basta sumusugod, Pinipili rin niya ang tamang tiyempo bago magpakawala ng sunod-sunod na suntok. Sinusubukan namang gumanti ni Facularin, pero si Egano ang mas aktibo at mas madalas na nakalalapag ng malilinis na tira. Malinaw na kay Kenneth ang momentum sa ika-4 na
Tayo
round.
siya dito with Facularin. Again, another shot there by Egano. Nawala yung volume punching dito ni Facularin. I think it's just relying on one shot, looking for that one big knockout punch. Egano is a lot more active with his hands. Daming suntok na binibigay ni Egano dito kay Facularin. Oh, catching Facularin there with combinations. Egano is gaining in confidence. In the way Egano is fighting, namimiligro dito yung perfect record ni Facularin. He's 4-0 with 4 knockouts. Egano winning this round clearly. Nice combinations coming from Egano. And he's attacking. Siya yung pumapasok dito. Oh, nice shot. Right hand coming from Egano. Of this round. Big round for Egano. Comeback round para sa kanya. That's the end of the round.
Sa ika-5 round, mas naging aktibo na rin si Jason Facularin. Sinubukan niyang dagdagan ang kaniyang opensiba, ngunit marami sa kaniyang mga suntok ang hindi tumama ng malinis. Samantala, patuloy ang mabilis na pagsagot ni Kenneth Egano gamit ang kaniyang 1-2 combination. Habang tumatagal ang round, mapapansing nasasaktan at unti-unting bumabagal si Facularin. Gayunpaman, hindi siya umatras at patuloy na nakipagsabayan. Sa puntong ito, mas malinaw ang mga tama at mas kontrolado ni Egano ang palitan.
Bouncing around, moving away. Bumagsak na siya no round number 2. So alam niya yung power ni Facularin. Nice left jab coming from Egano. That's been his steady weapon. Bumaba dito yung work rate ni Facularin. That's very clear. Hindi natin alam kung napagod na siya rito o nafu-frustrate siya ni Egano with the way Egano is taking control of this fight. Ito, nice right hand connected there by... Oh, hindi niya matamaan ng solid eh. And again, Egano with a short right hand connected and another right hand. That time na left. And again, Facularin remains a very dangerous puncher. One punch can bring him a victory. Right hand coming from Facularin. Facularin is waiting for Egano to just make one mistake. One defensive mistake para makapasok siya ng kanyang malakas na suntok. Miguel Beer. Yun, kanan. Pumasok yun galing kay Egano. There's a right hand. Smack on the jaw of Facularin. But not enough to put him down. But that time, Facularin.
Sa ika-6 na round, naging mas matindi ang palitan ng suntok. Maganda ang naging simula ni Facularin na aktibong sumusugod at naghahanap ng pagkakataong makapuntos. Ngunit pagsapit sa huling bahagi ng round, muling sumiklab ang laban nang tamaan siya ni Egano ng isang solidong straight. Dito nagsimulang magliyab ang pagsugod ni Kenneth. Sunod-sunod ang kaniyang pag-atake at tila gusto na niyang tapusin ang laban. Nahirapan si Facularin sa matinding pressure, ngunit habang umiinit ang opensiba ni Egano, tumunog ang bell at iniligtas siya ng pagtatapos ng round.
And that's a slip. That's It's not a knockdown. Gano missing with his combination. Couple of left jabs coming from Fakularin. And then returning the favor is Egano. Oh, tumama yung kanan ni Egano. And another right hand from Egano. Still another right hand. Sunod-sunod na to. Tinatamaan niya dito si Fakularin. Fakularin is getting tagged. He's trying to fight back, but it's Egano who is in control. He's moving in. He's charging. He's going for the kill. Napahawak doon si Fakularin. Fakularin is fighting instinctively. He's on shaky legs. Egano's pouring it on. Ang dami ng suntok dito. Sunod-sunod na to. Wow! And Fakularin is taking a lot of punishment. He's not going down. Nagkulang na din sa power yung mga suntok ni Egano. Egano continuing to connect. He's landing a lot of shots. Fakularin is trying to fight back. And more punches coming from Egano. What a war! What a war! Palagay ko, punches of the round ito. Ang dami kasi suntok ni Egano. Yung volume punching niya, ang dami oh. Sunod-sunod yun. Natatamaan niya si Fakularin, pero ayaw bumagsak ni Fakularin. Grabe na.
Sa ikapitong round, maagang nayanig si Jason Fakularin matapos salubungin ng sunod-sunod na atake ni Kenneth Egano. Patuloy ang pressure ni Egano at tila naghahanap na siya ng pagkakataong tapusin ang laban. Ngunit nanatiling matatag si Fakularin. Unti-unti niyang nakontrol ang sitwasyon, nakabawi, at muling nakipagsabayan sa mga palitan. Sa kabila ng matinding opensiba ni Egano, ipinakita ni Fakularin ang kaniyang tibay at determinasyon upang maitawid ang laban hanggang sa pagtatapos ng round.
Thrown by Egano. Fakularin looks glassy-eyed. I think he's ready to go. He's fighting instinctively. Oh, papagsak siya rito. Referee looking very closely. Umaatras-atras na si Fakularin. He looks tired, he looks battered. And more shots being landed here by Egano. Halos wala ng depensa si Fakularin. At sumutok siya ng dalawang kaliwa. Nice combination scored there by Egano. And that's the cornerman of Fakularin. Fakularin trying to stibay. Ang dami niyang sinalo na suntok in round number 6. Pero dito, he's still standing up. End of the round, ito.
Sa ikawalo at huling round, ibinuhos na ni Kenneth Egano ang lahat. Patuloy ang kaniyang agresibong pagsugod at sunod-sunod na kombinasyon, habang si Jason Fakularin ay pilit na depensa at gumaganti kapag may pagkakataon. Ramdam na hinahanap ni Egano ang stoppage, ngunit nanatiling matibay si Fakularin hanggang sa tumunog ang huling bell.
Yung perfect record ni Fakularin 4-0 with 4 knockouts ang record niya. He could be going down to taste his first defeat. But time slowly ticking away. Egano might have... You have to give it to Egano for his stamina. Sa dami ng mga suntok na binigay niya rito, he continue to maintain his work rate. Ito, nagkatamaan yung dalawa. Before the end of this fight, it's been an exciting one. Egano not really forcing the action. He's looking at the clock, time ticking away. Okay, it's less than 10 seconds to go before the end of this fight. And a lot of swelling around both eyes of Fakularin, and both fighters embrace. What a grueling bout that was. 8 rounds of unmitigated action. Grabe nangyari dito. And Fakularin, you know, he was hammered. And you see both of his eyes are, there's a lot of swelling around both these eyes. Ito naman si Egano, recovering from that knockdown in round number 2 to make a fight out of it. The big question is, was he able to do enough to swing the judges' nod?
Matindi ang naging bakbakan sa loob ng 8 rounds. Walang umatras at parehong ibinigay ni na Kenneth Egano at Jason Fakularin ang kanilang buong lakas. Sa huli, idineklarang panalo si Egano sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Ngunit ang tagumpay na ito ay sinundan ng isang napakasakit na pangyayari. Hindi na niya narinig ang opisyal na resulta at hindi na ipagdiwang ang kaniyang pagkapanalo. Agad siyang isinugod sa ospital at kalaunan ay binawian ng buhay. Isang tagumpay na nauwi sa trahedya at isang masakit na paalala na sa boxing, buhay mismo ang nakataya. Mataas na pagpupugay kay Kenneth Egano